beauty people, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, the Abby-licious, and for today's video we are doing a new wig install. So I got this wig from Abby Hair of AliExpress. This is my first time purchasing from this vendor. It took about 2 weeks to arrive from the moment I purchased it. So this wig is a 13x4 lace frontal wig, HD transparent lace, 28 inches. It also says it's pre-plucked. I'm not sure the density because it didn't say it on the website or in the description details. It didn't say what density it is. And I also got the hair straight. Let's open the packaging. So this is what the wig came in, this silk drawstring bag. Comes with the wig, and you get a pamphlet that says Abby Hair, and on the back has their social media contact, and then inside it has some hair care details, and of course the good kind goody wig cap. And I think I just may go use because I like the transparent one. It's easy to melt. Now for the wig, I don't understand how excited I am to put on fresh new wig on my head top. Let's dive into this wig real quick. Out of the package, it do feel soft and nice. Well, obviously straight hair, so my hand doesn't tingle. Again, it says it was pre-plucked. It looks pre-plucked. The knots are so fine that I don't think I'm going to bleach it just to save time. I literally have a few hours, you guys, and I have to install this wig. I have to do my makeup. I have to get dressed. Plus, I have a baby. We gonna see if we gonna let this work. So this is what inside the wig cap looks like. It has 3 combs up front and a comb in the back, and it has an elastic band, which I just love. But it has, first I didn't appreciate the elastic band because I just didn't like that. She used to be annoying, but a lot of times I've been buying the wigs that are too big. But now I feel like I've ordered enough wigs in my life to know what wigs will fit and what wigs will not. So yes, we're gonna cut this lace off. We're gonna color the lace, and we're gonna pop this baby on. So let's go. Also, the wig link will be in the description box if you are interested in buying. All right, so we're going in with this Ebin Lace Bond Skin Protectant Spray, and you want to spray that along your hairline that you're going to place the glue on. I would use this if you have sensitive skin. I know my skin usually gets irritated, but this is what I use right before. After you let that dry, you're going to go ahead and place the wig cap on your head. Obviously, as you guys can see, this is a transparent one. I don't know if all wig companies are doing this now, but I just like this because at least you can see your hairline. So we're going to spray that down with the Ebin Lace Bond spray, and you want to use the black kind because it's extreme hold. Also, as you guys can see, I did spray the wig cap down before I cut out my ear tabs. You want to do that before just so the wig cap can lay like, you know, well. I don't know why I did that first, but oh well. Anyways, I did use this foundation, powder foundation that I got off the beauty supply store, and I used that to color the cap, and then I cut off the excess that was covering my face. I also like to glue down the ear tabs also because I don't know if you've installed wigs before, the ear tabs is always just like rolling up afterwards. So what you saw me just doing, I was just removing any excess dirt and makeup off my forehead before you install the wig. That is super important, so no residue don't help like let your wig not stay laid, if that makes sense. So now I'm just trying to cut and measure my wig exactly how I want it to. I normally never follow the exact hairline that the wig comes with, but I decided to try something different this time. So I'm going in with the Ebin Lace Bond glue, of course using the black again because it's extreme hold. And then we're using the silicone tip one. You might not see this often, especially in beauty supply, but if you go on the Ebin website, you will see that silicone tip travel size lace bond glue, which it works well for, just helps spreading out the glue evenly. So now I'm just pulling and adjusting, making sure everything fits, everything looks good. And yeah, look at that lace already, y'all. Like all it needs is just a little makeup and bam, girl is laid flat. So here I'm going in again. I always just put extra layer on the ear tabs because again, that's the only part for me that is always just not sticking. Like, am I the only one that's having this problem? No. But anyways, after this, I cut off the ear tabs, the excess that just always be covering the ears. Even though this is 13 by 4, I don't know why it's always just extra piece right there. Normally, I would measure it and cut it off before putting the wig on my head. But again, I'm trying something different. So here I am just gluing the parts that I know will not, just didn't fit where I glued. You want to make sure like that is almost dry before you put that down. So now I'm using some powder foundation to cover up that white part of the lace. Honestly, whether or not I use a foundation, it still would have melted into the skin, but I just like to do that just for extra melt. But yes, so now I'm using the Ebin melting spray to kind of seal that hairline. Of course, I'm using the black one, and you notice that I didn't spray it like exactly on the lace. Like it runs very easily, so spray it on your finger and tap it around, where you need it to is always best. So now we're gonna some time, and then we're gonna take that. Yes, look at that. Oh my god, I got distracted. Anyways, yes, so after you do that, you wait until it dries. Then you're gonna take that lace band off. Look close up, baby. Yes, it's giving melt already. So I had to come in with the whole face beat and whatever. Make sure, yes. So because now sometimes when you're putting on a wig, like you really don't be seeing what you need to see until your face is beat. So I went on ahead, beat the face, and then we're gonna style the hair. So of course I did some baby swoop, but it didn't need that. And lately I've just not been feeling the baby hairs, because once you cut it and you mess it up, like you just can't come back from that unless you're gonna cut that lace part off. But anyways, so in my head I'm thinking about a little updo, a little half up, half down with some strands in the front. So that's really what I'm doing now. I mean, for me, whenever I'm doing styles, especially with wig, I try to use as less product as possible, because I don't plan on wearing that style for no more than just a day, and then I'm gonna take it down. And sometimes it's so hard to not let that product interfere with whatever style that you're using next, without like washing the entire wig. So I like to just make sure that it's neat. I might use just the hair wax, the wax stick, and just pull up all of those flyaways. But it's not necessarily important for me to get the hair as slick into a ponytail as possible. So here I am again trying to put it into a high ponytail for my half up, half down. Get that as tight, or as almost tight as possible. I really don't do it tight either. Then we're going to curl the front. I don't know what it is, but if it's a short wig, I would not curl the front, but because it's so long, I just like to just give it, a little curl. And if you want to know that flat iron that looks like the expensive Baby Bliss Pro, it's not. Is a dupe that I got off Amazon for literally quarter the price. Y'all need to get it. I will link it down below as well. And it heats up really nice. It curls really well. But am I the only person that cannot get the same curl that you get on one side on the next, or is it just me? That shit was pissing me off. But anyway, so yes, I got the curls together and it's looking so good so far. Here I just put this little silver clip that I've had forever and not been able to wear it because my hair is too thick for that. But it really just gives a little Princess Jasmine vibe from Aladdin. If you know, you know. But yes, this is the finished product. Ooh, did I just snag that? Okay. Yes, but overall, the hair is okay. It's honestly not the best quality that I've had, especially from AliExpress. But the hair is good. When I tried to wash the wig, the water did come out extremely black, as if the hair was dyed. I'm not sure what that's about. But overall, I would give it a solid 7 out of 10. The quality was not the greatest, but the lace was bomb. Again, if you want this link to this hair, it will be in my description box. And that is all I have for you guys. Love you. Bye.